How you doing, everybody? This is Martin Mesa with Rate One Financial, and welcome back to Mortgage Mind. Today we are at tip and trick number 10, and it has to do with using rental income to qualify for a home purchase loan. Okay, so a lot of people that want to buy a house are limited to whatever their income and debts allow them to qualify for on a home, whether it's a condo, a single family home, a townhome, and so be it. But what a lot of people don't know is that you can actually get a loan to buy a duplex, triplex, or fourplex and actually use the proposed rental income that you will get from the other units that you won't occupy to help you qualify for a larger loan. For example, let's say you are buying a fourplex, okay? That's a 4-unit property, 4 different addresses. You live in one, you can rent the other 3 out. And let's say each one rents out for $1,500 a month. You can use $4,500 of rental income, which is 3 times 15 for the 3 units you're renting out, to help you qualify for a larger loan. They'll take that $4,500, add it to your regular qualifying income, and that will be the total income they'll use to figure out how much of a loan you qualify for. So you'll obviously be able to buy a much more expensive home. It'll have a much higher monthly payment, of course, but you're gonna be able to get that rental income to help you cover that additional. So you usually can't use all of the proposed rental income. They will subtract out a certain factor, assuming you're gonna have vacancy at some point or another. You're not always gonna have renters all the time. But for the most part, they'll give you credit for most of it. So that's my tip and trick number 10. If you don't qualify for the loan you want on a single family condo or townhome, consider purchasing a duplex, triplex, or fourplex, because you might be able to make it happen then with that additional rental income. So stay tuned for the next tip and trick, and thank you. If you like what we're doing, please follow, like, and share on our social media. Have a great day.